From my side, wishing you a very warm welcome. Hey guys, today I am really excited to show you this video. That is what's in my bag, which is like an update version of this. I really wanted to do this update version and now I'm finally with it. And let me know you guys that how you like the hairstyle. I'll recreate this like more hairstyles, so I'll make a hairstyle video finally. Anyways, talking about this bag, this is by Fantasy and I bought it online from Amazon. So this is what the whole bag looks. It's pretty big and this is very comfortable to use. You can just store some clothes in and you can just hop into 2 days of any tour. And anyways, this bag is really huge and gigantic. How much it looks from outside is how much it is from inside. And also in the back side of the bag you have a chain here. Do I keep something here? Yeah, I have all of my chuttas in here. I have all of my chuttas and some coins, which are really important coins. So yeah, let me put that in. Okay, so that was it for the back chain. Now you have two chain like here, and yeah, I'm just gonna open this one, right? Okay, I'm gonna open this one here first. Okay, now here it is a lot of things you can just generally see. Okay, so the first, I'm starting with this bag. I'll show you after what I have in this bag, but moving on to the next products. Just a second, where is that thing? Okay, anyways, I have some capsules here. This is actually Histack 300. I always keep them aside because when I ever go outside with this bag, I have a strip of Histack because I don't have a good digestive system, so I always carry this after eating some heavy lunch or very masala wala lunch or breakfast or dinner, anything. I just take one Histack and it's good to go. Okay, for the next product I have, this is something ladies. Next I have always, this is really important. I have my charger. This is like the Samsung charger, which is the largest charger ever. Oh my god, this is so big. You can just plug in here and you can just do your phone right here. So it is very comfortable. I always carry these. Instead, when I'm at home, I use my black charger. That one is when I got the JioFi. JioFi provides a charger with you, or separately we have to buy it. I don't remember. The charge is fantastic. If you just like your phone is on 48%, by only 30 minutes it's gonna make 100%. That's a very not 100 but 80 to 90%. It's a very good charger. If you found it what company it is, I'll tell you. Of course I'll tell you guys. And next I have comb. I generally have two combs, but I have one comb today. And I have my, what is this? I got a something random thing on my bag. This I don't know what it is. But anyways, I have my phone and the earphones are connected. Oh my god, there are, okay, let me check, Messenger, always Messenger love. Oh, wait a second. Yes, so I have a phone plugged in with earphones. Now let me organize the chain again. As I promised, what is in my pink bag, which is a small bag, and that's a very comfortable bag again. This is what I have. You can see it's makeup stuff. You can guess because I'm a YouTuber. Yeah, proud of it. Anyways, I have a garter. Always I have a rubber band because my hair doesn't have suit me. Anyways, I have again a comb. Okay, anyways, do contain some bindis, because I also contain some ethnic suit with me. I am not having that suit now yet because I just came from the office and I didn't need it today. Someday I need, because माई फ्रेंड अचानक से वो बोलेगी कि मंदिर चलो, या फिर वो बोलेगी कि कहीं पर एथनिक जाना है तो चलो, इसलिए आई ऑलवेज कैरी अ एक्स्ट्रा सूट विथ मी. एल्स आई हैव अ बिंदी का पैकेट. यू कैन सी ऑल द बिंदीज आर ख़त्म बिकॉज माई फ्रेंड डज दैट. आई डोंट नो वाई बट शी डज दैट. इट्स अ प्रॉब्लम. I have again some खुचरा. Anyways, okay, I have a very funny thing right here. That's my father. Yeah, you can see him. This is actually when I was born, the photo of that day. Father was so young. Then I have a Randic 3000. This is very important. I have a mirror, of course. I have 2 to 3 garters at a go. I have a brush. I have some organizing lipsticks. I have a BB cream lipstick. I have like 2 lipsticks. One is pink and one orange. And mascara and eyeliner both. This is by Equals. Yeah, that's all what I have in my pink bag. Okay, now comes the way of the second chain. I have some pretty boring things right here. Yes. Okay, so here's the chain. You can see it by self. Oh my god. Here's again chain. You can see here. I have something there. Yeah, I have always a notepad with me, just like that. And I have visiting card of Wellness Cosmetics. That's a place. Okay, next I have something again. I have this refreshing water. This is by Khadi Naturals. I have my purse where I have, I'll also show you. I don't have money. Okay, that's my business cards. Not my business cards, my mom's business cards actually. This is at the brush up. Okay, can I see it? Wait a second. You can see. Okay, you can right here. Please read it. Okay. Yeah. That's Brush Up Ladies Beauty Salon, Sabatalai Apartment, 16 Bagoyati Road, Kolkata, 28, near Ambagan Gas Godown beside Adhiram Sweet Shop. That is in Bagoyati. Next one is Borat Bus Stop, Shamlake Garden, between Lake Town and Bangalore Avenue on Jashore Road. That's in, again, Lake Town. And to contact Runa Bashu at 8240587703 and Amrita Roy at 7980104181. Thank you. I literally don't have cash, so it's like 2,500 and 100 rupees notes. Everything I pay is by cards. That's all I have. No, I have something more. I always have this. This is the moisturizer by Ozone. I always carry this. I have a pair of sunglasses. Will I show you too? Yeah. My favorite pair of sunglasses. I freaking love the sunglasses. You can see my lights from there, I guess. Woohoo! I love the sunglasses. I think I'm gonna wear it. Okay, next is what I have is a watch. A random watch. Nothing more than that. And my favorite stuff. So I usually don't use this earphones. This is just plugged because as I'm traveling from metro or something by car, by Ola, by Uber, I'm not sponsoring any of the taxis. But still, if I carry, if by mistake I drop this, nothing will happen to me because this is like literally for 100 rupees. But this cost me literally for 500. No, this cost me, yeah, 500 only. Anyways, it has a Ziploc bag right here, and here are the earphones. I can't open them. The sound is fabulous. It's fabulous. I just can't express it by my words. It's ooh. Anyways, that's all I have in my bag. Guys, that what was in my full bag. I know it's very less products, but still, I really wanted to sing my favorite song from the movie. Okay, from the movie Jurm. That's a song from 1990s. I love that song, and that is Jab Koi Baat Bigar Jaye. It's I was inspired by the song when Atif Aslam and Shirley Shetty with the famous DJ Chitaz had the recent song. So I'm gonna sing it for you guys without any music, without any auto-tune. Anyways, let's dig into it. Atif Aslam voice and Shirley Shetty's voice was fabulous, fabulous, fabulous in that. But let's get started. I'm just finding up the lyrics. Okay, I'm not getting the lyrics. Yeah, got. Wait a sec. 1, 2, 3 and go. जब कोई बात बिगड़ जाए, जब कोई मुश्किल पड़ जाए, तुम देना साथ मेरा ओ हमनवा। जब कोई बात बिगड़ जाए, जब कोई मुश्किल पड़ जाए, तुम देना साथ मेरा ओ हमनवा, ओ हमनवा। न कोई है न कोई था जिंदगी में तुम्हारे सिवा, तुम देना साथ मेरा ओ हमनवा, तुम देना साथ मेरा ओ हमनवा। That was my song. The full song is gonna come without any music, without any auto-tune after this video, so stay tuned for that. And if you like my both of these videos, please बहुत ज़्यादा लाइक करना, शेयर करना, कमेंट करना, सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलना, नहीं तो ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर फेंक के मारूंगी। तो ठीक से फेंक। Oh shit. Yeah, I really hope you guys will like that video. Yeah, okay, bye.